Bitcoin overall does look quite bullish. We still have to break above this level, but let's see what will happen. In this video, I'll discuss 3 altcoins that I'm extremely bullish on for this alt season. What's up guys, Amar here. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year, a happy 2025, the best of health and the best of wealth for you and your family and your loved ones. Wish nothing but the best. Now it's a new year, that means a fucking bullish year. Historically seen, 2025 will be the year, guys. It will be the year that the market starts to explode for altcoins. So let's see. Now the market is slightly recovering. Bitcoin back at 98, Ethereum $2,600, Solana back at 215, up 12 or 11%. Dogecoin up 19%. So the market is slightly recovering now. Does that mean that we are back bullish? Well, let's discover it. Let's discuss it. So if you took a look at my former videos right here, you see what my perspective is. So I'm not gonna fully repeat my perspective because it just gets boring for people who keep on watching my videos. Loyal watchers who want to see new things. And in this video, I will discuss some new things. Now, for me, Bitcoin will only be bullish if we break above this zone right here. If we can break above the zone and hold support, great, we'll see more upside momentum incoming. However, as if for now, we remain trapped within 2 zones, this zone right here and this zone right here. So we have to await which way the market will decide to break out. And yes, I do still have my bearish perspective. Now in the short term, yes, we could still climb a little bit higher towards this, or perhaps even towards this level. But as long as we reject this level, we could fall lower. Definitely retest around the $95,000 level because it just makes sense as it's a structural level. But if we break below 95,000, we will fall back towards the $92,000, which is our key support right now. And it is still possible, in my opinion, that Bitcoin is forming a lower high right here, and that we still fall lower towards the $87,000 to start with before reversing. Could still fall lower. However, guys, I'm not sure about this. Nobody is sure about this. This is a theory that I have based on history. Historically seen, Bitcoin does pull back a good 20-25% per quote-unquote parabolic moves that it makes. So why wouldn't it not right now? But it's not sure. It will only be confirmed once we break below this level right here, which as if for now is not the case. What still could happen, as I said, is that we start to find resistance between here and here somewhere, that we form a higher low, and then that we climb higher. Then 2 things again will happen. Or we hold support, climb higher, or we reject, fall lower. It's as simple as that. Now, as I said, historically seen, 2025 will be the year for for crypto to go absolutely parabolic. So let's quickly take a look in history. In historical perspective, guys, I mean, this just makes sense. Everything aligns with each other. The bear market, which is duration of like 1 year perfectly. Then we have this quote-unquote no man's land / accumulation zone. These are the early adopters for Bitcoin. The early adopters and the early adopters. This is the bull market, guys. This is where things start to get extremely bullish. Things start to explode. And this is where retail enters. So I think this in general just makes a lot of sense that history so far has been repeating itself. And so far, we are still within the green zone. I do still expect that price will see higher. When? I don't fucking know. Let's see how things will go. Overall, things look bullish. Now, for us to be fully bullish, we do need Ethereum also to be bullish. And this is where it will become very fun. If Ethereum, this is another theory that I have, by the way, is that we could still find a crash in the market when Ethereum hits its all-time high. Ethereum hits its all-time high like the last times that it did in former bull markets, then makes a crash and then only starts to go to the upside, which also that Bitcoin will go bearish. Why do I say that? Because in the former bull market, the same happened. We hit all-time high and we made a decent crash to the downside. So it's just something based out on history. Will this happen? I don't know. Let's find out soon. But one thing is assured is that as soon as Ethereum does break above all-time high right here, turns it into support like it did right here, we will explode to the upside. And I do target Ethereum around a $7,500 at least, up to a $12,500 is my maximum target. If we exceed that, great. Altcoins will explode even more than I thought they would. If we don't, $12,500, $10,000, I'll take it for Ethereum. That's a good deal for me, in my opinion. So that's what I'm a little bit looking at for the rest of the markets. Now, important is on which 3 coins am I actually bullish, because probably that's why you are watching this video. If you are still here. If you are still here, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. I always forget to ask for some reason. I really do. But if you do it, you're amazing. You're a really amazing guy. I want to push myself towards 1,000 subscribers. Not only guy, but amazing person, if there are females here. But I want to push myself towards 1,000 subscribers and a lot more, guys. I'm doing this with a lot of pleasure. I really like making these videos for you guys, because somebody has to give solid content. Now, 3 coins that I'm bullish on, a few that I already spoke about one that I already spoke about is Jupiter. I'm extremely bullish on Jupiter. I have a lot of Jupiter. It's probably one of my biggest holding. No, not probably. It is my biggest holding that I have. So there you go. Do with that information what the fuck you want. Again, none is financial advice. And overall, guys, Jupiter for me looks like it's in an accumulation zone. So once this zone breaks and turns into support, it will explode. We will rapidly see all-time high and a higher incoming. And I do think, in my opinion, that Jupiter could hit the double digits towards a $10 to $16 level. So that's what I'm looking for on Jupiter. The price action on it is very simple, nothing overcomplicated. If we look on higher time frames, it's just ranging between this zone and this zone right here. It's doing nothing more. And this shows me that people are actually accumulating Jupiter in anticipation of an explosion, and a solid explosion it will be. I'm very, very bullish on this project. It's a very solid project. If you do not know nothing about it, make sure to check it out, because please do not buy this randomly because I say so. Please make sure to go check it out, because it's a very solid project. And yeah, let's see if it delivers or not. I think it will deliver. Like I said, I'm very bullish on this fucking project, guys. I am bullish. It's my biggest holding. So let's see. But in terms of price action, I would not advise, but what I am doing is very simple. I'm accumulating here. I bought Jupiter the first time here, so I'm still in profit regardless. I bought a lot of backs here. Then I bought a little bit here. I bought a little bit here. I bought a little bit here. Bought probably a little bit here as well. I bought all over this range so far. I even bought here. I think I even bought a little back right here. I bought some here. I bought some here. I keep on accumulating, guys. I keep on accumulating. Why? Because I'm just so bullish on this project. I do have high expectations of this bull market. Now, another one that I'm very bullish on is Brett's. Let's talk about Brett's, the official, unofficial coin of the base chain, meme coin of the base chain. I also do have quite high expectations for Brett, guys. Now, it is a meme coin, so quote unquote more risky, but that's just what crypto is. But I do have good expectations for this token, and in terms of price action, it's nothing special so far. It's trapped between this zone and this zone right here. This is a structural zone on the higher time frame, which is actually should replace it towards here. Exactly. But overall, and then this a support zone / resistance. Why it's in different colors, I don't fucking know. Don't ask me. But overall, this looks like it's in an accumulation zone as well. Because because so far it didn't really do a lot besides being in between these two levels. Break former all-time high basically, and ever since just ranging above. So this shows me as well that people are accumulating within this zone. People do not want price yet to explode. But soon it will, in my opinion. We might form a higher low here and continue higher to the upside soon. Well, let's see, guys. My biggest, again, no, not my biggest advice. What I am doing with bread is I'm accumulating. Most of my bread I bought here. Most of it. I'm looking to buy some more here. I did not buy this here. I did not buy here or here. I just bought this zone. Quite timed actually, because it was in this momentum that I bought, and then shortly after price just exploded. And ever since I didn't buy more, but I will, and I am planning to buy a lot more in between this zone. And if Bitcoin does decide to fall lower and bread goes back towards the 9 cents or lower, I will even buy a lot more. Now here's the thing with accumulation, guys. In the momentum that I'm saying is we could see upside or downside. It's not assured yet till Bitcoin breaks one of the key levels. But what is important for you is that you accumulate correctly. That's the biggest key for you. If you do not accumulate correctly, things will not work out. So you cannot go all in right now, but you can also not regret if price starts to go higher that you didn't buy more. The same concept goes for if price goes lower. If you are starting to buy now and price goes lower, you have to be okay with price going lower so you can still buy more. It's a simple concept, guys. Let me write this down. If price goes down, be okay with it despite buying in, because now you can buy more. Little typos, but that's okay. If price goes up and you only accumulated a little bit, be okay with price going up, but more importantly, and not buying more. Because it does make sense once price starts to explode, guys, and it's suddenly up 20, 30, 40, 50% or an X2, they suddenly be like, you know what? I should buy some more bags. That just doesn't make any sense. Accumulation is done when prices are correcting. It's as simple that that's for a maximum ROI. And also it becomes a little bit difficult. We do not have endless money, I would say. At least I do not have endless money. But it becomes harder and harder to keep on accumulating and accumulating. Guys, I'm running out of fucking money. I'm running out of fucking money. It just becomes hard to keep on accumulating in big amounts. I think that's a little bit the case for everybody. Like, prices have been low for quite a while now. And yeah, we want prices to explode. We want to make money with our investments. But until now, it didn't happen yet. And it keeps on giving us opportunities to buy in more. Now, another one that I'm extremely bullish in, by the way, screenshot this. Hang it above your bed, because some of you will later on for sure be like, price is going up and I didn't buy enough. Price is going low, but I don't have any money anymore because I already bought the current dip. That will happen, so accumulate smart, divide your money smart, and be happy with when one of the two situations play out. And the best way to do that is by accumulating smart and being happy regardless, or being happy with whatever you are doing regardless. That's the best thing. Accumulate smart. Now, another one I'm very bullish on is Pengu. Why am I bullish on Pengu? Well, guys, I have a Pudgy myself, obviously, so I got this shit airdropped, which is just fucking dope. Now, how am I seeing this currently? Very simple. We have a little resistance right here. It looks like we might have that little trend line, which might be forming an ascending triangle-ish pattern. So two things will happen from here on. Depending on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin, of course, we might still see a correction, hold support, and yeah, wishy-washy, a little bit within the pattern. Whoops. A little bit within the pattern, boom, boom, boom. But we could eventually just break out to the upside, make a retest, and start to climb higher. Now, another thing that could happen is, what the fuck? Another thing that could happen is this. Here, we formed a higher low. We hold resistance here, break lower, start to basically form an accumulation zone, and then only start to break higher. So one of those two things will happen. Now, here's the thing. Me personally, I am extremely bullish on Pengu, on Lil Pudgies, and on Pudgy Penguins. I'm very, very bullish on that ecosystem. Like extremely, extremely bullish, guys. And again, I advise you guys to take a look into it. Do not take what I say for granted, but make sure to take a look at Pengu and the Pudgy Penguin ecosystem, because it might amaze you. It's a very solid thing that they are building. And honestly, guys, they did the biggest Trojan horse ever. They gave an airdrop with their little pudgies that they sell in Walmart and probably some other stores in the US. And those little pudgy toys, basically, have a QR code that lead to an airdrop. So you basically make money while you bought a toy. Like a stupid toy, a little teddy or something that they made. And yeah, people are getting an airdrop from it as well. They can claim it soon, I guess. So that's quite crazy. Now, if we look at our FIP levels, we pull them. You can see that we are forming a higher low right here. Our next target would be around a 6.5 cents. Above, we could see a 9 to 10 cents and then an 11 cents follow. Do I think that will be the bull market top? Not really. I do expect that this project could hit a 10 billion, 20 billion, even perhaps a 30, 40 billion market cap. This is really a big project. Again, I'm very bullish on it, but let's see what the market will do with it. All right, that's the best information that I can give for you right now. Is make sure to do your research about all the 3 projects that I gave you. Brett, the unofficial yet official meme coin of the base chain, Pengu, the Pudgy Penguin ecosystem, and Jupiter, which again also extremely bullish on it. Alright guys, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed and have a great one. Have a great day, night, wherever the fuck you are. Enjoy your day or enjoy your night. And again, guys, make sure to lock the fuck in this year. I believe in you. I probably believe more in you than you do in yourself. So make sure to believe in you as much as I believe in you and fucking succeed. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. Do it for the people that you love. Change your life right now. Now is the fucking time. Alright, guys, see you in the next video.